Squarespace SEO tutorial. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide how to create a better SEO for your website using the squarespace.com. Okay, so the first step is you need to create an account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I have already made one. I have already made a couple of websites, but all you need to do is to create a new one. You'll be headed to the templates that are for your website. So here you can see the types of your website that you can choose from: online store, portfolio, memberships, blog, scheduling, one page, courses and services. For example, we would like to create an online store, and you would like to see those topics. So for example, you can choose collaborations, all templates, art and design, photography, health and beauty, personal and CV, fashion, professional services, local business, community and non-profits, food, entertainment, travel, restaurants, media and podcasts, events, weddings, real estate and properties, home and decor, nature and animals, and fitness. So as an example, I'll take a topic with the real estate and properties. As an example, we would like to sell the houses. Okay, so real estate website. Okay, so here you can see the sample color presets. You can choose one of them, one that you like. I really like this one, so I would stay on this palette. Okay, you just need to click to start with this design, and the dashboard is going to be loaded. So I am going to give you a quick guide on the dashboard, on the editing of your website. So the first step, you need to create a name for your website. For example, I would call it Real House. Okay. So then click continue. It's going to tell you how to sell products, how to drive traffic, but I'm going to tell you by myself. So as you can see, here is our website. By clicking on edit, you'll be headed to the editor page. So as you can see, we can edit the website right here. Then when everything is being edited, you just exit this page, and you can see on the left side of the website the dashboard. So on the dashboard you can see pages, styles, assets for your website, and all we need is the marketing. Okay, so how to optimize SEO for your website, how to do it. Okay, so the first thing they offering us is to convert site visitors into loyal customers. So by adding an email automation suite, connecting it to your website without ever pressing the send. So let me tell you how it works. So the first thing, you just select a campaign time. It could be regular, blast, so send an email to your mailing list. It could be an automated thank you email, so you can turn customers into repeat customers by sending an email after their purchase. Automation, like a welcome email, so you can build a relationship on day one by sending an email when a person signs up. So there are a subscriber activity, so you can a welcome email, a check-in email, a new subscribers discount email, customer activity, so as a thank you email, repeat customers, so you can reward your customers by sending a discount email after a repeat purchase. VIP email, so you can reward customers by sending an email after they've spent a certain amount of money. Product recommendation email, so you can drive more sales by sending an email after a customer purchases a product. Follow-up email, so you can engage customers by sending an email if they haven't made a purchase in a while. And a student onboarding email, so welcome new students by sending an email after a person purchases a course. So I would tell you how to make a welcome email. So here is the preview template of your welcome email. It's a template that it's already made. You can you can choose another templates, for example this one. You can use this template. Also you can edit it right here, and when you are ready you just add it for your website. So as you can see, automations, we have a welcome email right here. So let's head back to the marketing. The next step of the marketing is give your site visitors a way to subscribe. So it's about adding an email sign up section, gives you an easy way to expand your audience. So it tells us that if we would like to engage more visitors, we need to add a block with the newsletter. Okay, so next thing is you can import existing email subscribers. So if you're having an online shop, you can import your contacts. You can upload it by a list or by an individual subscriber, each one. So here will be contacts of your clients, of your memberships. So let's head back to the marketing. And you can add a promotional pop-up to your site. So it will be pop-up in things that will promote your website. So to choose it, you need to upgrade your plan, and later in the video I will show you how to do it. So pop-up will give you opportunity when the new user is opening your website. He will see this popping up section. So join our mailing list, be the first to know about new arrivals, sales, exclusive offers and special events. He will type here his email address, and your thing would work. So I think you understand what it is. Okay, so I'm heading back to the marketing. There are also apps that you can add for your there are social tools to boost your brand. For example, a bio site, you can promote everything you do online, including your site, classes, products, blog articles and more with one link in bio. There is also a special app that called Unfold. You can transform daily photos and videos into trendy videos for TikTok and Reels in minutes. And the marketing kit in Squarespace iOS app. So it will save time with videos, GIFs and graphics created instantly from your site's brand colors and products. Okay guys, so that was all about SEO optimization on squarespace.com, and let me tell you about the subscriptions plan. So in total there are 4 subscription plans that you can choose from. The first one is the personal, it costs $16 per month. The most popular one is the business, it costs $23 per month. Then goes basic commerce for $28 per month, and the last one is the commerce advanced for $52 per month. So you can pause my video to see all the features that each plan will give you. And if you have known something new from my video, please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.